Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got a common issue that many Firestick users encounter, the dreaded blinking yellow light. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through some step-by-step solutions to help you get your Firestick back up and running. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest tech tips. Let's get started. Section 1. Check power and connections. The first thing you'll want to do is check the power and connections. Make sure your Firestick is properly connected to the HDMI port on your TV and that it's receiving power from the USB port or an external power source. If everything looks good, move on to the next step. Section 2. Restart your Firestick. Sometimes, a simple restart can do wonders. Unplug the Firestick from the power source, wait for about 10–15 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help clear any temporary glitches or issues that might be causing the blinking yellow light. Section 3. Use a different HDMI port. If the problem persists, try using a different HDMI port on your TV. It's possible that the current port you're using is malfunctioning, and switching to another port could solve the issue. Section 4. Check remote batteries. Believe it or not, low or dead batteries in your Firestick remote can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Check the batteries and replace them if needed. A fresh set of batteries might be all it takes to fix the blinking yellow light. Section 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the previous steps worked, you may need to perform a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up any important information. To reset your Firestick, go to Settings, My Fire TV, and then select Reset to Factory Defaults. Section 6. Contact Amazon support. If you've tried all the steps and the blinking yellow light persists, it's time to reach out to Amazon support. They have a dedicated support team that can assist you further with troubleshooting or provide information on warranty options. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on fixing the blinking yellow light issue on your Firestick. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends who might be facing the same problem. If you have any other tech-related topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.